If you look up the Federal Reserve's new instant payment service, you may find content like this, or this, and even this. But a lot of people have it wrong. FedNow is not a digital currency to replace cash, but rather a bridge to speed up the transaction process. Instead of taking days to debit your account, transactions will be processed instantly. For those concerned about the federal government tracking their financial transactions, NAU Finance Professor Howard Chi says those worries are misguided.
They're not getting more information from you. It's just using the existing information in a much more secure and efficient way.
You can think of FedNow like a public PayPal or Zelle that will be attached to all of your transactions in order to cut the time to clear checks and process payments. The difference here is that FedNow will have much higher transaction limits, and officials say it will be less vulnerable to hacking. Now, if the federal government were to propose a central bank digital currency system, Chi says that would be cause for concern, unless it was regulated.
They can actually say, this US dollar can be paid for this coffee, not for this pizza, or for this coffee from this person, not from that seller. So they can control into this detail.
That's a stark similarity to the Chinese social credit system. Again, there are no plans to do this currently, but she says in the long run, a central bank might fit in the modern digital economy, especially as more countries around the world adopt similar institutions. She says the most important thing is regulation.
They can dedicate all this account management to private financial institutions. When their system crash or if there's some problem, the central bank at that time can step in. So for normal operations, they can just step out of this whole business and let the private sectors handle all their account. So in that case, the central bank will not actively track what you do.